What's up?
Come on.
And we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
You can't spend the rest of your life alone, dressed in black, listening to angry music and staying up all night.
Yes, I can.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Get away! Butter?
Ollie, get down.
Stop.
Swear where, Mr. 305, darling. Today I just want to tell you que a mí me gusta la Pepsi.
What's on your fucking face? Did you drink my chocolate milk?
You're so cute. I just want to kiss your face and bite your ears, and I want to squeeze you until you go pop.
What we have here is North American bobtail, long, not lean, short nose, tiny ears, pinched back, very scared. This is worst in show.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Wait, did that just break the monitor? Stop! Stop!
Oh, sorry.
Get off! Get off! Get off me! Bro! Get off! Get off! Dude! You are ridiculous.
Magnificent pair of bananas. Oh, great heavens!
I have never seen a cat dig a hole before. Oh, she shouldn't.
Фарид, тебе не стыдно с сигаретой в зубах бегать, блядь?
You told your boyfriend you were not watching the movie with him tonight, so he found someone else.
You want some treats?
Point your bike down, dude. You're slanting.
Нормально. Срочно в коробку надо залезть.
Are you gonna get up?
Oh no, thank you. I'm snoozing.
But it's 10 o'clock.
I actually don't care what time it is. I've had a crazy week watching Toulouse.
Зачем ты пришла?
Yes!
E eu te procurando pela casa, cara.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
So we just moved into a brand new apartment. We've got one cat who's in the closet in the second bedroom over there. The other one lost all its brain cells, I guess. Hunter, are you okay?
I want to go all the way up. I want to do it. Stop hiding. You hiding forever. Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky. 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 Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky.
Dinner.
You. This is my cat with the big round eyes filter. Let's see what your cat looks like with this filter.
That was dramatic.
She's been trying to sit on this piece of paper that keeps sliding off my whiteboard because she... Excuse me! That's my... Excuse me! I need my referral so I can book the appointment! You cunt.
I got to get back before Cleveland realizes I'm not in bed.
Donna! Donna!
You're a weird one. You're a weird one. You're a weird one. Please send me that. You're a weird one.
His belly's so full. Why are you still drinking? Your name should definitely be Happy, dude. I think it's. I was thinking the same thing.
Who needs a hole puncher when you have a cat? Why, thank you.
Girl. Do you have a question? Do you have a question? Retract your claw. Retract!
Can you let go? I need to go. Yes, I need to go. Let go. Please? Can you, Luna, I need to go. Okay? Luna, let go. Let's go.
What's up?
Oh my goodness. Are you on, Fitzy? Okay. Okay. I guess we're on the move here. Fitzy cat.
Are you hungry?
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine at almost 60.
Ready? Hey, what are you doing? Pay attention. Spin. Kiss. Sit down. High five. Do nice. Good. Lay down. And play that. Oh, good boy.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
I don't understand what is he trying to get comfy? Oh, okay. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's like, no, this is not working for me.
Let's go to bed. It's bedtime.
We have one smart cat and one dumb cat. One who sees the laser and one who knows where it's coming from.
The guardian of the bud. He's fucking protecting it. Yes, you menace.
Sit your ass down. Leave the tree alone. Just stop. Please.
This might be the best way to train your shop cats. Trap a mouse alive and put him in the back of your pickup with a plastic liner and just watch him go to town.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
So I just got back to my Airbnb and I turned around and went, oh, do you live here? Do you live here? Is this your house? Oh no. What do I do? Is this your house? I have a camera. Like, I have 2 cameras for the house, right? And Blurry today, for some reason, keeps staring dead.
What's wrong? Jack! Hey, Sal. Oh.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Un poco de aire fresco. ¡Oh! ¡Hola!
Binky.
You're not gonna like the snow. Oh! Did I laugh? No.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
No es un chico malo, solo quiere ser él mismo.
Milo! What was it? I think it was another cat. You did not have to do all of that, boy. What was it?
So only the questioner picks a favorite to start. So if Michelle starts, she gets everyone.
Milo, it's garlic bread. Yeah, uh-oh.
You licked it.
Bravo, Nina.
مش هتزهق.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
It's time for my ultimate move. The slow motion leap.
My seat. My seat.
Nova won't give up Dad's chair. Okay, there you go.
Somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Came over and sneezed on my Nintendo Switch. Lioness, look at me, you absolute boogerhead.
You're thick.
One Smith.
Who are you gonna punch?
Oh, did you think it was wet food? Oh.
Oh, it's snowing. Isn't that wonderful? I never felt so much like Christmas in all my life. Don't you, Sherry, dear?
Shut your nasty little face! Adam.
What the fuck is wrong with Ginger Cat's lol? Wait for the attack. Looks at me so innocently. My leg is about to die.
Dusty.
Hayatım sen gel şimdi.